Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you a delicious chocolate cake. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 200 grams of unsalted butter. I'll go ahead and soften it up in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Next, I'll add about 50 ml of full cream milk, about 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar, a pinch of salt to taste. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip everything up till it turns fluffy. I'll add 6 egg yolks and continue mixing. I'll sift in about 100 grams of cornstarch. Then come in with 200 grams of all-purpose flour. I'll go ahead and mix everything up. I'll add 15 grams of baking powder. After mixing, I'll set this aside for later. So I've got my egg whites here. These are from 6 eggs. I'll just go ahead and come in with some vanilla essence. I'll add about 5 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Come in with my hand mixer and whip everything up till it turns fluffy. Now I'll get my mixture and come in with some cocoa powder. I mean, there is no right or wrong amount. If you want it more concentrated, just use more, but if you want it less, just use less. I'll come in with my spatula and mix everything up. Finally, I'll come in with my whipped egg whites. I'll go ahead and mix it up very well with a hand mixer. I'll get my greased and dusted baking pan and put the chocolate mixture into it. Now I'll bake this for about 30 minutes in a preheated oven of about 150 degrees Celsius. So it's been after about 30 minutes, and here we are. Our delicious, cushion, soft chocolate cake is ready. You definitely need to give this a try. So here we are, and I hope I did help you. I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.